Welcome to my channel, all my fellow hairstylists. My name is Vanessa the Stylist. I'm the owner of Innocent Hair. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I get my frontal bone straight and give it that flat wrap look. Before we start, you guys, you can find me on social media at Innocent Hair 9, and that's for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. You can find me at Innocent Hair 9. And don't forget to please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Alrighty, let's get started. So what you would need is a blow dryer, flat iron, a few hair clips, and whatever heat resistant product that you guys use. Now you're going to use your clips to go ahead and separate the hair into 6 sections. You're going to have two in the front, two in the crown area, and two in the nape area. Before you begin to flat iron the hair, be sure to use some heat protectant on the hair. As you can see, well, my hair is colored, so I definitely have to put heat protectant on it because the heat just helps the color fade away. Now you can proceed with flat ironing the hair. You can flat iron it straight. Me personally, I like to add a little curve towards the end as I'm flat ironing it. Not a complete curl, just a little curve so I can get that flat wrap look. Okay, I'm gonna stop babbling, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a chance to go ahead and flat. Once you're done flat ironing the hair, you're going to add some Garnier anti-frizz. You're going to spray it again with heat protectant again, and now you're going to blow dry style the hair. I know you already flat ironed it. You're probably wondering like, why I have to blow dry it if I already flat ironed it? The purpose of the blow dry is to give it that sleek look. You guys ever gotten your hair blown out at the Dominicans? You notice that they flat iron, blow dry, flat iron, blow dry. So this is the best way to get it that sleek look, and that's what I want. So we're going to proceed with blow drying the hair. You won't even need a brush.